Hey everyone, I'm Brielle from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm so excited to share my review of the BALMUDA Toaster. If you're a toast lover or just want to elevate your breakfast game, this sleek, steam-powered toaster oven might be your kitchen's new star. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes this toaster special. The BALMUDA uses steam technology. Just add 5 cc of water to create a moist environment that keeps bread soft inside while crisping the outside. It has 5 modes: sandwich bread, artisan bread, pizza, pastry, and oven, with 3 heat settings from 350 to 450 degrees. The compact design, about 14 by 12 inches, fits 2 slices or a small pizza, and precise heat control ensures even toasting. It comes with a baking pan and a cute little water cup for steaming. The controls are simple with 2 dials for mode and time, and instructions are printed right on top. Now, the pros: this toaster makes incredible toast, crispy outside, moist inside, whether it's store-bought bread, bagels, or stale croissants. It revives pastries and reheats pizza like a dream, keeping them flaky and fresh. The compact size and sleek look are perfect for small kitchens, and it's super easy to use and clean. Users love how it eliminates burnt toast smells. On the con side, it's pricey, around $300, so it's a splurge. The small capacity limits it to 2 slices, and some users say it toasts slowly, taking up to 10 minutes for sourdough. The back can brown more than the front, and it's not a full toaster oven replacement. Who's this for? If you're a bread enthusiast or love perfect pastries and live in a small space, this toaster is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for 1 to 2 people, but might not suit big families or those needing a multi-purpose oven. If toast quality is your priority, it's worth considering. Ready to upgrade your mornings? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's make breakfast delicious.